Connecting a Denon receiver to a Bose soundbar enhances your home theater audio. The primary goal is routing audio from your receiver to the soundbar for amplification. We'll cover HDMI ARC, optical, and pre-out connections. HDMI ARC is generally preferred for its high bandwidth and ease of use. These methods allow seamless integration for better audio experience. HDMI ARC, or Audio Return Channel, and its enhanced version eARC create bidirectional digital connections. This allows the receiver to send audio to the soundbar while also receiving audio back from the TV through the same cable. For this connection to work, verify that your Denon receiver and Bose soundbar both support ARC or eARC features. Use HDMI 2.0 cables for 4K support or HDMI 2.1 for 8K and higher bandwidth needs. In your TV's settings menu, locate and enable the ARC option. This allows the TV to send audio back through the HDMI cable to your receiver. Finally, use the Denon app or the receiver's on-screen display to configure the soundbar as the HDMI ARC output. This completes the bidirectional audio routing setup. Optical, also known as Toslink, is a unidirectional digital connection that uses fiber optic cable to transmit audio signals. It's particularly useful when HDMI ARC isn't available on your devices or when there are compatibility issues with ARC connections. To connect, plug an optical cable from the receiver's optical output port to the soundbar's optical input port. Next, configure the receiver's audio output settings. Use the receiver's on-screen display or mobile app to select the optical connection as the active audio output. However, optical connections have limitations. The bandwidth is lower compared to HDMI, so it may not support advanced high-resolution audio formats like Dolby Atmos without compression or conversion. Pre-out connections use RCA cables to link the receiver's front or rear pre-out jacks directly to the soundbar's analog inputs. This method works best for stereo audio and basic home theater setups. Connect the RCA cable from the receiver's pre-out jacks to the soundbar's analog inputs, ensuring proper cable orientation. When using analog pre-outs, match the impedance between the receiver and soundbar, typically 4 to 8 ohms for optimal performance. Volume control occurs at the soundbar while the receiver handles signal processing. Pre-out is a legacy analog option that lacks modern digital processing capabilities. When troubleshooting connection issues, first check your HDMI cable connections. Make sure the cables are securely plugged into both the Denon AVR and Bose soundbar ports. Loose connections can cause no sound or poor audio quality. Next, verify that ARC is enabled in both the TV and receiver settings. Access your TV menu to confirm HDMI ARC is turned on, and check the Denon receiver's on-screen display or app to set the soundbar as the HDMI ARC output device. If issues persist, try a different HDMI cable to eliminate a faulty cable. Use a high-speed cable that's certified for 4K or 8K to ensure proper bandwidth for audio formats like Dolby Atmos. If using an optical connection, make sure the correct input is selected on the Bose soundbar. Access the soundbar's settings menu to confirm it's set to optical input mode, not HDMI or another source. Finally, consult the user manuals for both your Denon AVR and Bose soundbar. These contain detailed troubleshooting steps, including firmware updates that can resolve compatibility issues or handshake problems. The trend is shifting towards wireless ecosystems and AI-driven audio. Bose's SimpleSync technology pairs devices via Bluetooth for simplified setups. eARC adoption is surging, with many new soundbars supporting object-based audio without dedicated cables. AI will enhance audio tuning based on room acoustics, optimizing sound automatically. Future advancements include HDMI 3.0 with integrated wireless audio and Matter protocol for smart home integration. Experts from AV publications consistently recommend HDMI ARC for Denon Bose pairings, citing its superior bandwidth and ease of use. eARC is particularly praised as the future-proof choice, handling 8K audio without compromises. While Bose emphasizes proprietary features like phase guide for precise imaging, they suggest high compatibility with Denon receivers, with success rates around 80%. Statistics from industry surveys show that most users prioritize ARC for soundbar integration, driven by the demand for simplicity in home theater setups. In summary, HDMI ARC remains the preferred method for connecting Denon receivers to Bose soundbars, offering the best balance of performance and ease of use.